Well, sa mga nagtatanong kung saan po kami pwede mag-apply, Teacher Laya. So, saan po kami pwedeng mag-apply? I can attach here the picture. So, this is the agency kung saan sila po yung tumulong sa amin na makapag-work sa Singapore. So, this is the agency from Philippines. And actually, they are still hiring and looking for teachers right now. They are open this coming December, and you can contact her. She's Mom Jane. Anyways, you can also go directly sa website ng company. But I recommend you to go to the agency para mag-guide ka and hindi ka mawala